Okay, what we have today here is the Jabra Elite 4. Now, I've been using Jabra earbuds for quite a long time, starting with the Jabra Elite 7 like 2 years ago. The Jabra Elite Active 7 is still in use to this day. We will have a video coming soon featuring that as well, but today we're going to talk about the Elite 4 because this is one of the higher end but still within a reasonable budget type of TWS earbuds. As you can see, the features that we have here is ANC, comfortable all-day fit, 4 microphone for crystal clear calls, Bluetooth multi-point, we'll test that out later, and 22 hours of battery life as they claim. What's interesting though is Spotify tab. Not sure what this is, and it also has the Google Fast Pair and Qualcomm aptX codec support. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, so Jabra's unboxing is always unique, I would say. Okay, so we got this card here that tells us what to do with it. Remember to peel off the plastic so you can make contact between the pogo pins and the earbuds themselves, and also download the Jabra Sound Plus app to update the firmware and whatnot. Okay, the case. Oh, okay, I immediately feel that this is just pure plastic, which is good because previously they were using a soft touch material, and those soft touch materials will become sticky over time because the Elite Active 7 already became sticky, but it's good that they changed to pure plastic. And the shape and size is pretty similar as well, so we'll leave that for later. Since we got the blue color version of the Jabra Elite 4, we also get the blue color cable, which is really nice of them. And then ear tips. Now the ear tips, we got the S and L sizes. The M size is already pre-installed, obviously. Not gonna touch this, we'll try it on first, then we'll judge the fit later. And then underneath everything, we got more company declaration about commitment to sustainability and whatnot. Gonna leave that all for later. We'll open this up and then take out this piece of plastic for both earbuds, and then we have to update the firmware first. Okay, so Google Fast Pair picked it up, set up. Really nothing much to do here. The app is already installed on my phone. Identifying. Okay, I want to know what is the Spotify tab, so we'll press into it. Okay, so it's just Spotify integration. You can tap on the left earbuds and then it will immediately start playing music from your Spotify. Okay, voice assistant. Okay, let's just enable that as well. ANC, not gonna touch that for now. Allow. Okay, as you can see, there's a new firmware, which is why I tell you it's very important to pair your Jabra Elite 4 to your phone before you start using. So just do all these steps and wait. Okay, firmware updated. That talk about, oh my god, another firmware. Are you serious?
Here's an update for your update.
Update for your update. Let me check again. Oh, okay, it's updated. If you watch our review for the Jabra Elite 2 and the Elite 3, if not mistaken, then the shape of the earbuds, you will find it to be very familiar. So you got the signature Jabra triangular shape thing here. They actually scan quite a lot of ears to get this as the most appropriate fit for all sizes, if that's a proper description of it. And as you can see here, they're using the standard circular ear tips, and you can change it to an earfoam tip if you want to, available on aftermarket stores and whatnot. But of course, silicone is good because you can wash it and reuse. So one thing I do like is that Jabra decided to use buttons instead of touch gesture or pinch gestures. So this big Jabra logo, you can actually press on it. It's quite soft, so when you wear the earbuds, you don't have to press it real hard and plunge it deeper into your ear just to activate the button. So wearing it, this size fits me, so I'm not gonna change it. Oh, as you can see, the shape of the earbuds, right? What it means is that It has a bigger bump at the back here so that it fits in your ear real nice. Features available, it's again pretty typical. Active noise cancellation, and then hear through mode is obviously you just can hear whatever's happening around you. Technically it's gonna be called as ambient mode on other earbuds, but Jabra decided to call it hear through. Then you can also turn it off if you want to. Music equalizer, this is up to you how you want to select it. I'm just gonna leave it all in default. And there's also some presets here. You can edit the widgets if you want to and rearrange it or disable some of the widgets. For this light bulb button, you can actually see what you can do with your Jabra earbuds. These are just a list of recommendations. If there's a new firmware, it will also appear here. I'm not gonna touch all of these, and then I'm just gonna press I. Again, nothing much to see here. So in terms of the features available, you got more in the gear icon. Firmware is up to date. Headset settings, side tone. So if you are familiar with Jabra products, then you will know what side tone is. It's actually to just hear your own voice, so you can control your own tone and your own volume. Especially useful if you know Jabra has a lot of call center headphones and whatnot. So it's actually from that usage just exported to TWS earbuds. Then surrounding sounds, you can cycle through, hear through or off, or all three together. Depends on you, because this is actually to control the gestures. You can also, of course, personalize your own ANC. This is kind of easy to do if I remember correctly. Yeah, you can just tune to the level that you can't hear anything. Same goes to the left and right side, because you know, people's ears, some of us are more sensitive on one side. Okay, that's it. That is my ANC save. That's done. This is actually a very easy process to do. Takes less than a minute and 0 errors. Then voice assistant, you can enable or disable this. Then Spotify tab, I already enabled it just now. Okay, then find my Jabra. If you want to use it, you can. I'm not gonna go through it in this video. So that's all of the features that you have. So let us try the sound quality now. Okay, so after listening to some of my big band jazz music, I can tell you that the Jabra Elite 4 isn't as focused on bass as many other earbuds in the market, because you know, music, there's more than just bass, but Jabra is more highlighting the treble of the music. So especially for instrumental music like this type, big band jazz, then you can hear a lot of the woodwind instruments, which sounds really good to my ears, and I really like this. But you do have to take note that this pair of TWS earbuds, even though they do sound good, some of the features available on other earbuds are not present here. For example, you do not have in-ear detection or the proximity sensor. When you put it in your ears, it wouldn't automatically play your music. And then it doesn't have customizable gestures. So as you can see here, these are all preset, and I found this in the user manual actually. So you cannot customize any of this. All of this is what you get. Both left and right side are the same, so yeah, you can't customize it, which is kind of unfortunate, but you're gonna use play, pause and next or restart anyway, so really I'm fine with it. But at this price range of 529 ringgit, it is definitely more premium. There are some good features like the customizable ANC and custom EQ. It's done really well in the Jabra Sound Plus app. And since we're doing the microphone test for the Jabra Elite 4, might as well let's talk about the Spotify tab feature, right? So this Spotify tab feature is essentially like what it describes. If you double press on it to activate the Spotify tab, it will become something like the Discover Weekly but on demand. So it will automatically just play some music according to what you already have and what you already like in your playlist. Also, do let me know how the microphone sounds down in the comment section below, because I do think that the Jabra Elite 4 is a very good pair of TWS earbuds, and it also has the multi-point Bluetooth connection.
which means you can pair between two different devices like your phone and your laptop at the same time as well. Also, we tested the audio latency of the Jabra Elite 4 and surprisingly, it is actually very good. As shown in the superpowered audio latency app, as you can see here, it's only at about 250 milliseconds. For me, it is still a bit too high because when I play COD Mobile, I can still feel the delay when I press the shoot button and the audio delay when the the muzzle flash of the gun happens. But overall, I would still say it's a very good pair of TWS earbuds.
Either way, sounds real good. I would have to say sound quality is just amazing coming out of this. For 529 ringgit, depends on your priorities. If you value sound quality, then consider getting the Jabra Elite 4. So that's it. If you want to know more about other Jabra earphones, then watch our other videos which are on the screen here, and we'll see you guys in the next video.